Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is for you, but for me it's morning. It's about 10:30, Saturday the 19th, and have I got some news for you? Spare me 1 minute. Let's have a look out to sea first, as we always do. Now I'm not going to be able to see much this morning through the screen because the sun is right shining and it's low and right in my eyes. Now then, it's only 36 hours ago or so since I put on what did I call it? Mystery of the Metropole air raid shout, or something along those lines we called it, didn't we, if you remember? And the comments and information over the last 36 hours has just been fantastic. What a little community we've got going here. Honestly, people that with so much knowledge, I'm impressed, very. But then again, I'm only an old Blackpool biker, so what can I say? So just heading back towards the Metropole, as you can obviously see. I can see something now. It's gone in the shade a little bit. Yeah, and some of you won't even believe this. I think I know where the entrance to the air raid shelter was now. Thank you for the information. I think that was marked. Sorry, I can't go through everything at the moment because I'm using my phone to video with at the moment. So yeah, I think I know where the entrance is. But not only that, some of you won't even believe that not only was there or is an air raid shelter underneath here. Wait till I tell you the story about it. It involves murder, believe it or not. Sorry, I get my finger out of the way. Like I say, I'm on my phone, so it goes in front of the screen now and again. I'll just get round here and then I'll tell you the story of what's happened and what's been happening. I'm going to upload this as soon as I can so everyone's got the information. Do you remember yesterday I was saying, is it that green door there? 36 hours ago, whenever it was, when I'd have actually uploaded the video. I'm thinking, is it that green door there? You know, behind the green door. Watch this pole here. I nearly whacked my head on it yesterday. Day before, whenever it was. Seems like yesterday. Now then, let's pop round here. And it's funny, you know, when you're videoing and you're looking through the lens or looking through the camera, the screen, what you miss. And then someone points it out to you. And it's blaringly obvious what you've missed. But I'm coming here, if you remember, thinking, right, you get through these doors here. Watch me head here as well. It's right low. Look. See how low it is? So I'm thinking, is it round here? But no, it's a substation. This is just for a benefit as well of those that's not watched the previous video. What did I call the video? Was it Mystery of the, or In Search of? I think that's what we called it, wasn't it? In Search of the air raid shelter, the Metropole Hotel, Blackpool. Right, let's walk round here. So if my finger keeps getting in the way, blocking a bit of the screen. Look at that though, it's lovely out there today. It's cold, it's nippy. Not too cold. Sun's out though. 19th of December, you can't complain, can you? And let's walk through here. Actually, let's walk out here and I'll show you the absolute obvious when you look. And when I look through the video that I've done, I'm like, how have I missed that? I'll come to here, turn round. What is that? Right underneath there, look. It says 1912. Year the Titanic went down. But look at this. Is that obvious? Is it obvious? How did I walk past that? How? Until it's pointed out to you. And I've literally just come back. As soon as I watched the video back, I'm like, how have I walked past that? But yeah, this is going to be the entrance. This is where this is where the entrance would have been to the air raid shelter. It's quite obvious when you look, isn't it? To be honest. I'll get it in for you. Is that obvious? I'll put a picture on now as well to show you how it used to look. So yeah, I think we can all agree, definitely true this one, there's an air raid shelter there. Definitely true. Let me just get in here, 'cause it's getting a bit windy. It might shout at me a little. Let me give you a little story. This is what happened back in 1944. Right. This is how it goes. Believe it or not, Private Thomas Montoya, 24-year-old aircraft mechanic from New Mexico, obviously in the USA, befriended a Bispham girl, Joan Long. That evening, Joan and Thomas walked the promenade to the air raid shelter at, guess where? Just here. At the seaward side of the colonnade of the Metropole Hotel. Now here's something now. Joan's body found by 2 servicemen and 2 civilians. The guy, the American serviceman, who was an aircraft mechanic, killed her. She was 22. She was only 22 from Bispham. Just, you've seen me do videos in Bispham. Just up the road. 5 minutes. Just up the road. Now, she was killed. Let me go back. This is what, it's outstanding, isn't it? You chase something because someone said, oh, there could be an air raid shelter underneath the Metropole Hotel. She was killed in there, 22-year-old in 1944. And the amazing thing is as well, it wasn't the Germans in 1944, it wasn't the Luftwaffe, it wasn't the Blitzkrieg, it was after a night out at the local pubs. One person killed in there during the wars, 1418, 39, 45, a young girl, 22-year-old. Now, I just found that amazing. I had to get here. And, you know, show you. So, yeah, see where we are. Obvious, really, isn't it? Cenotaph just there. You can see that just background by the tower. Let me just come back round. And when you think about, when you look like that and you think, how did I pass by that? How did I pass by that yesterday? But you're looking through the screen and you're looking all over, if that makes sense. There you go, look. I just found that amazing. You know, what started off as, I'm thinking this was going to be like the Derby Baths site one, you know, the tunnel at Derby Baths. No such thing. Then you start investigating it a little bit, and it turns out it's all true. Anyway, I hope that information's, well, sad. A young girl, 22-year-old, killed by a 24-year-old serviceman, aircraft mechanic, in 1944 in there. It's just beyond belief in a way that, what can you say? Anyway, yeah, by the way, they actually called in the Met and everybody, and they came over to Blackpool. They found him, and he got 10 years hard labour back in the States. Did that Montoya, Private Montoya. Look, I hope you, I can't say enjoyed this video, because it's not very enjoyable when a 22-year-old girl, you know, but try and keep it. I'm going to look in as well, back of Stanley Park, you know, the pill box that I said about at the back of Stanley Park. I'm also going to look at, on Stanley Park, that as kids we always used to say was a air raid shelter. all I've got to say is, yeah, this one's true. There is an air raid shelter and a young girl lost her life there. Anyway, have a fantastic day. And please like and subscribe. Fantastic day to you all. Bye.